Open page number 11. I am going to discuss question answers of lesson 1. First question, define a constitution. The answer is, a constitution is a set of legal norms that define the fundamental political principles and establish the structure, procedures, parts and functions of all organs of a state. Children, you need to write this answer on your book. Second question, who became the chairman of the drafting committee? The answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Third question, on which date was the constitution adopted? 26th November 1949. This is your answer. Question 4, when? When was our constitution put into force? Answer is on 26 January 1950. Constitution came into force. Next question, fifth, mention two special features of the Indian Constitution. Two special features बताने हैं, तो आप कोई भी दो बता दो. Open page number 10. Page number 10, right hand side, you can see Indian Constitution is a written one prepared by the Constituent Assembly. And the second point, Indian citizen enjoys single citizenship which promotes unity and brotherhood. ये आपके दो स्पेशल फीचर्स ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हो गए. सिक्स क्वेश्चन, गिव द मीनिंग ऑफ यूनिवर्सल अडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज. राइट दिस आंसर. यूनिवर्सल अडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज स्टेट्स दैट द राइट टू वोट शुड बी गिवन टू ऑल सिटीजन्स, टू ऑल अडल्ट सिटीजन्स, ब्रैकेट में इन ब्रैकेट अबव 18 years of age, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, without any distinction of class, caste, color, etc. Next question, question number 7, write two fundamental rights that Indian citizen enjoy. Any two fundamental rights you need to tell. Right to equality and right to freedom. Next question, state any two fundamental duties of the people of India. Open page number 9 and you can write any 2 points. Open page 9, fundamental duties. Any 2 points you can write, children, whichever you like. First 2 points I selected. Respect for the constitution till integrity of India. Next question number 9, what is meant by directive principles of state policy? Open page number 9 again. Directive principles of state policy. The directive principles are instructions to the state to promote social and economic development of the country. These principles are also not enforceable by any court. This is your answer number 9. Question number 10, what is a welfare state? Open page number 10. Open page number 10. Welfare state. The directive principles of state policy clearly mentions that the state is responsible for setting up a welfare state. It means a welfare state must look after the social, economical and political life of the people. There must be socio-economic reforms and policies adopted by the government, both at the center and in the states, to promote the welfare of Indians. This is your answer number 10. Open page number 11. Now we will discuss structured question. First, the Indians got their constitution after a long period of struggle. In this context, write about the meaning and the need of the constitution. Open page number 10 for the meaning of the constitution. Page number 10, right hand side, second point, or you can say second para. Constitution of India is a set of rules and laws according to which our country is governed and the people benefited. Open page number 2, left hand side, last para, need of the constitution. This is your answer number. First part A, second part. A constitution prepared by a constituent assembly is a set of rules and laws from here to etc. First B, description of the Constituent Assembly. Open page number 2. Open page number 2, right hand side, first line, the Constituent Assembly held its first meeting. This para, then second para full, and these 2 lines, Zafar Imam and Muhammad Sadullah, these 2 lines, as well as the next page, Hukam Singh and Ujjal, till Nehru sister. यहाँ तक है आपका आंसर नंबर 1B. 1C, the work of the drafting committee. This is your answer. Working of the drafting committee. The chairman of the drafting committee was B.R. Ambedkar. After India gained independence, the pace for drafting constitution picked up. The first draft was ready by February 1948. Then the Indian people were allowed to deliberate on the first half draft and put their opinions and suggestions to the drafting committee when the assembly met in November. Then in November 1948, the draft was considered clause by clause. This was completed by October 1949, and the last final draft was ready by November 1949 when the President of India signed the Constitution officially and make it a legal document. This was the working of a drafting committee, and this is your answer number first, C. Next, question number 2. The Indian Constitution was prepared by a committee. State. Question 2A. How was the Constitution adopted? Question 2B. When was the Constitution implemented? And question 2C. The preamble. All these three questions, answer is on page number 4. So open page number 4. We will mark all the three answers altogether. Open page number 4. 2A. The committee studied the Constitution from here till Dr. R. Prasad. Next, answer 2B. Implementation of the Constitution. This para is your answer 2B. And the third, answer 2C, the preamble. From here till here, the Constitution. This Constitution tak. I also want you to write these points as well. Essence of the Constitution. It reflects aims and objectives of our Constitution. It is not enforceable in the court of law. It highlights the goals of our nation. It points to the source from which the Constitution derives authority. ये मैंने जो 5 points आपको लिखवाया है, ये preamble के लिए है. If the question asks what is the preamble, what is the meaning of the preamble, तो ये आप 5 points लिख सकते हो. And I want you all to write these 5 points also in the preamble point. Next question. Write about the ideals and objectives of the Constitution. Open page 4. Open page 4. Last para of this page. Right hand side. Ideals and objectives of the Constitution. Justice will be the first point from here. Next page. Page number 5. ये 3 para भी cover होगा justice में. Political justice mark till legislature. Social justice mark till etc. Economic justice mark till need. Then make liberty second point. Liberty means freedom. Then second line, third line, the Constitution makers provided freedom of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. Then leave 2 lines. Then the next line, the Constitution mark from here till develop. Then equality make the third point. Full equality para. Fraternity, make it a 4 point. Fourth point, assuring the dignity till brotherhood. Then leave 3 lines. The spirit of unity till nation. Integrity will be the 5th point. Turn the page, open page 6. Open page 6. First 3 lines, top. Till smaller parts. This is your answer number 3, children. Actually, this answer is little bit long, I know, because this question is of 10 marks. Next, question number 4. The Indian Constitution has certain features. Discuss. A. Universal adult franchise. B. Single citizenship. C. The fundamental rights. First, we will mark 4A. Universal adult franchise. Open page 7. Open page 7. This is your answer number 4A. Universal adult franchise, right hand side, second para. Open page 8. Left hand side, first para, 4th line. India offers a single citizenship from here till people. This is your answer number 4B. Same page, page number 8. Fundamental rights, right hand side. This full para, this is your answer number 4C. Next, question number 5. The Constitution is concerned about the citizens. Explain. A. Fundamental duties. B. Directive principles of state policy. C. The welfare state. First, we will mark A, B. Page number 9. Open page number 9. 5A answer. Fundamental duties. You can see the bracket. First, second, third, fourth, fifth point. Till culture. This is your answer 5A. And after this 5B. Directive principles of state policy. You can also write contained in part 4 of the constitution. Directive principles of state policy जो है वो constitution के part 4 में है. Full para, this para, and Gandhian socialist principles, the liberal principles, general principles, till etc. This is your answer number 5B. Now open page number 10. Open page number 10. As you all can see, the bracket I make here, welfare state, the directive principles of state policy clearly mentioned from here till etc. This is your answer number 5C. 4 marks का है ये. So children, what you have to do, you all need to write all the question answers on your history register.